It's Inspiring Iris, inspiring one awesome kid at a time. I'm here to help you be your best self. So stay tuned for some helpful tips, and let's jump right into this week's message. Spring is almost here, my friends. So let's talk about spring cleaning. Spring cleaning is about cleaning up those old habits that don't work for you. I'm looking forward to challenging myself, trying new things, and making the rest of my life the best of my life. What about you? What do you want to do to live your best life? Want to join a club? Start playing softball, lacrosse, or baseball? You want to educate yourself by reading more books? It's that time of year to spring clean. Clean up the part of you that says, I'll just sit here and play video games all day. Or the part of you that says, nah, I won't clean my room now. I'll do it later. Or maybe the part of you that says, what's the point? Nothing will change if I read more. Friends, you're absolutely right. Nothing will change if you don't change. If you don't do the spring cleaning in your life, this is what could happen. You won't meet new friends. You won't get on that sports team. Your body won't be in good shape. And you won't get any smarter. So friends, join me as I do my spring cleaning. Let me know how many books you read. Leave a comment to say, Inspiring Iris, I got on a baseball team. Or a ballet class. Or I just learned to ride my bike. When you do something to make yourself better, you'll be just that, better. Better in school, better at sports, and better at being your best self. Inspiring Iris wants to know how you're doing. So, remember to click like or subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment down below. And make the rest of your life be the best of your life. See you later!